somebody. Want us to believe that you somebody to see. Searching for a feeling.
So I wanted to pop in here before we start today's video and thank Not Your Mothers for sponsoring today. And I'm so excited to be partnering with them. I've loved this brand for years. I love their dry shampoo. And they just came out with a new Smooth Moves collection. And it's been helping my hair stay frizz-free and just healthy and overall shiny. So I can't wait to share it with you guys. So let's get started with today's video. Today's video is gonna be a New Year reset. I've been traveling before the holidays and I went to Boston, I went to Nashville, I went to Dallas, New York, a bunch of different places, so I'm finally back here. Yeah, I feel like I haven't even been living in my apartment. I've been here for almost 6 months and it's crazy because I have not been in my apartment. This morning, my friend Taylor came over. She's a model and she does like a lot of different like workouts and stuff. So she was kind of like showing me some things to incorporate in my workout routine. And we're gonna start working out every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I actually have like a really nice gym down in my apartment building. I haven't been really using it. But I also do have a membership at F45, so I'm gonna try to like incorporate that and then also do workouts in my. Also, if you guys are wondering, this little workout set is from the brand Stacks and it is so comfy and stretchy and it kind of reminds me of like a workout version of Skims. So highly recommend checking them out because they have like a ton of like aesthetic colors and different sets on their site. So I'll link that down below if you guys wanna go check it out. But I wanted to show you guys some vitamins that I've been taking every single morning. I like to incorporate zinc and vitamin C. This is great for your immune system, especially right now with everything that's happening, obviously. So highly recommend doing that. And then I've also just started taking these hair, skin, and nail gummies with biotin in it because my hair and my nails and everything has not been doing the best. I'm sure you guys have seen like ads for this, but it's the brand Athletic Greens. They just sent me this little thing that has 30 packets in it. So I'm gonna start incorporating this into my morning. If you're like the type of person that doesn't get enough veggies or you don't really eat as clean as you would like, highly recommend just adding this into your morning. And all you do is add it to some water and you're supposed to drink it on an empty stomach and you just get all the nutrients that you need throughout the day. But even if you do eat clean, this is just like an extra added bonus. Just got extensions put in and I've been putting this off forever. I've been wanting it because my hair has always been really fine and thin and it was one of the best decisions that I've ever made. So I got the keratin one line extensions instead of like wefts and you can barely even tell that they're in my hair. And I found this one guy on Instagram actually. His name is Esh and he's in Beverly Hills. The process was like 2 hours long. They last for up to 4 months. So every 4 months you have to take them out and then put them back into your hair. I really just wanted like more thickness and volume to my hair. So every time that I like curl it or I style it, it just like looks good and thick and I just am obsessed with it. And what's great about these ones too, instead of the wefts, is that every time that you put it in like a slicked back bun or like a ponytail, you can honestly barely even tell that they're in your hair, which is amazing. I'm really happy with how they turned out and it just like makes it so much easier too. I feel like I have to wash my hair less and I just feel like it's gonna really help my actual hair get healthier too. So I also wanted to share some products that I've been using in my hair too that have been really helping out my hair with like damage and split ends, and like I said, I've been traveling a ton. So I've been going to like a lot of colder places and I just feel like my hair was just not doing the best, but this has been helping so much and it's from Not Your Mothers and I wanted to thank them for sponsoring today's video. It's their new shampoo and conditioner from their anti-frizz Smooth Moves collection. This has made my hair look so shiny and healthy, and I feel like I have to like wash my hair less, which is always the goal because I don't want to style my hair every single day, put heat on it. I feel like a lot of other shampoo and conditioners that claim that they're like frizz control or like they have like a lot of anti-frizz ingredients in it always weigh down my hair, and this does not. These also have hyaluronic acid and macadamia oil in it, and what I also love about their brand too is that all of their products are sulfate decade, paraben and cruelty free, and they're really affordable, so you can get these at Walmart. So after I shampoo, I've been adding in their La Mer water rinse, and what you do is put this in your roots to the end of your hair. You just kind of lather it into your roots, you really scrub it in, and it has this like kind of tingly, warm feeling to it. But this helps with your hair looking so shiny. It's really lightweight. Before I blow dry my hair, I've been using their Smooth Moves priming cream, and this helps with split ends. It also helps with heat protection. So before you style your hair, I add it into just like the bottom of my hair, not the roots, and it just helps with, like I said, heat protection, making your hair look a lot shinier and healthier as well. It has hyaluronic acid and macadamia oil in it. It honestly gives you that like salon look to your hair without it being expensive, because I do not like spending a ton of money on hair products, and these do the job without that price. So I really love these products. I highly recommend checking them out. If you wanted to check anything out, everything will be linked in my description box down below. But I'm gonna add in, like I said, a little bit of this priming cream to the bottom of my hair and just work it in before I blow dry. So I just blow dry my hair, and as you guys can see, my hair is so smooth. And also I usually have like a ton of flyaways, and it really just like makes my hair look so shiny without it being like greasy looking, and it just feels so amazing right now. So I'm gonna keep my makeup really simple today because I'm running around and I'm getting my lashes done, so I don't want to like put anything on my eyes. So I'm just gonna put on some tinted moisturizer, and then we're gonna head to my lash appointment. So I just got back from my lash appointment and I got my lashes done. To be honest, I asked for like really simple, classic, natural lashes. And I know getting your lashes done is not like very natural, but they are a little bit fuller than I normally would like it to be. And I feel like I'm also not really used to it because I haven't gotten my lashes done since like 2019. They're a little bit full, but it's okay. I still think they're cute. I just wanted it done so I don't have to like do my mascara every single time that I do my makeup. So hopefully this makes it a little bit easier. But I just went to Errands because I'm planning on going grocery shopping at some point tomorrow, and I don't have anything in my fridge right now. So I just got some chicken on the side so I can have that for tomorrow. And then I also always normally get a plate from them. I get salmon, Brussels sprouts, and their vegan buffalo cauliflower. They have literally the best food. It's one of my favorite places, but it is so expensive. I don't know why it's so expensive there. And then I also got, as kind of like a little dessert, I got this keto berry probiotic mousse. So my friend Tyler is actually coming back over tonight, and we're gonna have like a little vision board night. And I've never made a vision board before, and I think it's a great way to like actually put down some inspo and goals that you want to accomplish for the year, and just get to see it every single day and remind yourself of what you're chasing after. Little night in and make vision boards and all of that. Tyler is here and we're actually cracking up because she's making fun of my lashes because I honestly hate them too. I really think I'm gonna go back tomorrow and get them fixed. This is what I asked for, guys, and not anything against Blink Bar. I love Blink Bar.
Going for something natural.
I wanted something
less flamingo.
Really natural. I don't know if you guys can see that, but like kind of like the wing and like very natural in the front.
It looks beautiful.
I'm going back, I'm getting this fixed, I don't care. I'm getting it fixed.
It reminds me of this guy that says like, it's like what it's like to feel like a bald person, and then it's just like these long lashes. Like
That's how I feel. And I was like, you know what? I'm gonna get my lashes done. I'm gonna do a New Year reset. And this is what I got. So we got some poster boards, which you got for us. Thank you.
Ran all over the world.
Some magazines, some markers, and we're just gonna listen to music. We're listening to SZA right now. We're gonna have a chill night and
girl power.
Write down what we want to accomplish for this year. So again, I wanted to thank Not Your Mothers for sponsoring today's video. Definitely check out all of their products down below. They're so amazing. They have been helping my hair stay frizz-free and just healthy and shiny. So everything will be linked down below, and also let me know what you guys want to see next. And I love you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.